Hey you guys, welcome back to Lisa and Company. Today we are doing a Thanksgiving fall tablescape because, yep, happy Thanksgiving. We started with our table fresh from the fall table collab, and we'll post the playlist right here so you can take a look at it. And Izzy and I got it all cleared off. We did a little place card DIY with these Cinderella pumpkins we found at the Dollar Tree. We used white spray paint and some chalkboard paint, and then when we put them all back together, we used a chalk pen to put everyone's names on them. I actually sharpened the pen because I find it a little easier to use than the dull point that it comes with. We're starting the tablescape with the little two-tiered tray we made with Dollar Tree materials. I'll link that right up here so you can see how we made it. And we got a great idea from the fall table collab. Thank you so much to Natalie at Design to the Nines. We did a little appropriating and made her candlesticks. You can see that video right here. Our place settings are made up of these great woven felt placemats, our pumpkin place card holder, a silver charger, and a white plate. Izzy has always been my napkin folding girl, and today she did not disappoint. We picked up these tea towels from Dollar Tree. She did a beautiful fold, and we're just going to add a few more pieces in this maple leaf and our thankful sign. This table has come together beautifully with a whole bunch of DIYs and actually a whole bunch of Dollar Tree materials. We didn't plan it that way, but it just seemed like every time we hit the store, we found a couple more things we thought would look great in our fall decor. Our Dollar Tree candle holders came out so great. Let us show you how we made them. We simply took the medium glass cylinder vase and one of their more modern votive holders. We had a couple of options for adding a little something around the top. This black and white ribbon was great on one side, not so great on the other. This one is actually an adhesive ribbon from the Halloween collection, but we have this great black and white twine, and well, that's what we went with. So all we did was wrap it, I think it 3 or 4 times around. You have got to watch here. Izzy was so confident she could do this better than me, and yeah, she's totally having a YouTube fail here. If you could hear the sound effects, they were pretty spectacular. That a girl, Izzy. That totally works. So we're going to use our E6000 to attach these votive holders, and as always we're going to use a whole bunch of E6000 and a few dots of hot glue. The hot glue allows the E6000 to set up and give it a little instant grip. I love the way these look on the table. They were the perfect addition with a little light and height. We actually used some beads left over from a project that Izzy had to raise up our little Dollar Tree votive candles. While this tablescape is mostly focused down the center of the table, we didn't use anything too high so we can still have great conversations amongst us tonight. We have a sideboard we're going to be using for the majority of our dinner tonight, but there is still room for all of the important stuff like the cranberry and the gravy and a few of the side dishes right on the table. It's always good to have them close at hand for seconds, right? If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you hit the subscribe button and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you know every time we upload a video. From our family to yours, happy Thanksgiving!